guys, and welcome back for another video. Today's video is going to be on how to make money here on YouTube. YouTube is definitely beneficial for a lot of people because it can supplement an income, or it can be your full-time income. So basically, I do YouTube part-time, and I still have my full-time job. So basically, I do get a check every month depending on my views. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make money from YouTube, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so obviously you're going to want to create your channel. That's the first and foremost thing. As well, you want to film videos that suit you. So you're going to want to film videos that you're interested in watching yourself and what you are passionate about. So if you have a hair channel, if you love doing hair, then do a hair channel. If you love doing makeup, do a makeup channel. If you love cooking, do a cooking channel. Do what suits you, and more than important, be yourself. No one wants to watch a YouTuber that she's just obviously not herself on camera. So if they can sense that genuality through the camera and through their screen, they will love you. Next tip would actually be, if you do create a channel, do not limit yourself to content. I did that when I first started off and I literally regret it, but now I see like it's okay to start off with beauty, but then you want to branch off to cooking, you want to branch off to DIYs, you want to branch off to mommy lifestyle videos, clean with me, whatever you want to do it. You have to think about there's so much content out there to create and so much content that has already been created. So say for instance you are a beauty content creator. Okay, just think of the odds. What are the odds? Or you search gold smoky eye or red lip tutorial, there's going to be tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of those type of videos. So basically it's very good to, you know, broaden your horizon basically and create different content. That way, say if I'm searching a clean with me video, I may come across your channel that way. That may point me into your channel, and then I can see that you do other content as well, and I will watch that content if I really do like your personality and things like that. And the main thing is monetization. Now, this is where the money comes into play for as YouTube creators. So basically, I've been doing YouTube for a while now. Basically, when I first started YouTube, I did not know that you can make money from it or anything like that. So it was literally just for fun, just a hobby. But basically, back then, the monetization rules weren't as they are pretty high now. Basically now you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, or you have to have 4,000 of watch hours completed in order to monetize your videos, in order to run those ads across your screens, across your videos and things like that, in order to make money off of your content. So they kind of raised it a little bit, because back then I honestly do not remember it being that precise far as number goes, far as like monetizing your videos. Is Google Adsense, who I am currently getting my paycheck through. So basically there's Google Adsense. There's also different companies as well, which I highly do not recommend. I recommend that you guys do your full research on different companies for as like revenues and things like that, because some people, their percentages is completely high and ridiculous. Trust me, I've been there, done that in the past, and no, you will not get me again. So therefore I am with Google Adsense, and they are the ones that send me my monthly check on the 21st of each month. Okay, and then another thing, since we are talking about money part of YouTube, basically, I would like to say the biggest tip, honestly, would be do not get caught up in the number aspect of YouTube. I say that because when you start YouTube, you're looking around at other people's channels and you see like, hey, she does the same content as me and she has 20,000 subscribers, but here I am with only 5,000. But basically, in order to, the numbers are nice, do not get me wrong. To have a high subscriber count is very, very nice, but at the end of the day, views are what make your money. So basically, just look at it as a business perspective. If you were a company, would you rather send a product review to a subscriber with 20,000 subscribers, or would you, well, 20,000 subscribers, and let's say she's only averaging 10,000 views a month, versus you have a small YouTuber with 5,000 subscriber count, but she's averaging 30,000 views a month? Makes sense. So basically, views is what you paid, basically. So basically, a lot of sponsorships, companies will reach out to you and ask you if you like to try their product. If it is a paid sponsorship, you guys can negotiate prices. So basically, that is where the main money comes in for as YouTube goes, will be sponsorships. So you can get a sponsorship for Docotite or a hair product or something like that, and they will pay you to review the products on top of your check that you're going to receive from Google Adsense. So you kind of have to not pay attention to the numbers part, and that's what I'm seeing now as far as YouTube goes, since I've been doing it for a while, that so many people are obsessed with the number aspect of it. Like, they're so big on subscribe and everything like that, but at the end of the day, are your views there averaging monthly in order to collect a check? Like, I mean, the numbers, they do look good, but at the end of the day, you want the views. Trust me, you will not make money overnight. Like I said, I've been doing YouTube for years, and it took me a while to get my first check. So basically, you will not, don't expect $1 million. Basically, on average, I would say for a first YouTuber's check, once it hits that $100 threshold, and I could definitely do a different video. So basically, Google AdSense, they have a $100 threshold that they pay out each month. So basically, you have to hit over $100 versus for us, like, money being earned in order to be paid out the next following month. So I would say on average, a lot of small YouTubers, if I'm wrong, but from my experience, I average basically anywhere from between like $125 to $225 a month. It just depends. And as you guys can tell, I only have currently like 8.5K subscribers. So you have to not only, don't look at the subscriber count, look at the views, which a lot of people do not see. So that's a big thing to play in part. The last thing would be to be consistent. Since YouTube is a big platform, you have to be consistent in order to get noticed, in order to gain views, in order to gain subscribers. So you have to be consistent, meaning you have to upload. I'm not saying upload every single day, but at least upload at least 2 to 3 times a week. I would say 3 times would definitely be the best way to go. I'm still working on trying to be consistent because it is hard. You have to create the content, you have to edit the content, everything. It's like another job, basically. And since I am a mom and I work full-time, I just basically do YouTube part-time, and that's why my channel is where it is now. So that's completely on my behalf. So it's not on YouTube's behalf, it's my behalf. So basically, this is your business, and if this is what you truly want, then you will work hard at it and you will succeed, basically. So yeah, guys, that is basically it on my few tips on how to make money on YouTube. If you are looking to make money, or if you are passionate about YouTube, then I say go for it. It's endless, basically. I mean, YouTube is here, it's a large platform, utilize it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.